Welcome back, everyone. New all-time highs, an incredible market day on the backs of oil coming down yesterday 5%, a little over than that. And so far on the day, also another 5% move down. This has engendered a breakout for the S&P E-minis above a sideways range-bound pattern that we've really been in since the beginning of May, formalized back here on June 9th, 10th, and 11th, came back down to test that area, and up and away we've gone on geopolitical positives, and of course some earning news as well. Are we likely going to replicate another 1.7% move up directly on the backs of this move today? It's doubtful. It's more likely that we're going to pull back and test the breakout area or thereabouts before we can continue higher. But where can we get up to if the move continues to drift over the course of the next several days? Well, we're targeting the top of that long-term uptrend channel that we've been in since October of 2022, and that's in the mid 7,800s. I'm not saying we will get there, but there's potentially another 100 points up for grabs. It's likely going to be a line back down before another attempt to continue on higher. What does this look like for the NASDAQ? Well, the NASDAQ itself has also gotten into the uppermost quadrant of that long-term channel. It's broken above that pink line, and it's trying to eat into the resistive structures coming back from days gone by, starting really mainly at the beginning of May, end of April. And we have to get through that 29,950-ish area to tell us that we're going to go all the way back up to the top of the channel and potentially rival those all-time highs. What does the technical picture look like for the NASDAQ? Well, we've got a very good signal backdrop. The daily chart is coming up to the champion trend sell zone trail line, which resides at 29,770 effectively. Above there, the door does open for more, but beware, this might be an area where we start a pause and a minor pullback to refresh, rejuvenate, refuel, to try and continue that move back up again. Nonetheless, we're in a great signal spot. We had the PTC pattern from the Triple S toolkit play out on the 4-hour chart. The champion trend pack has given us a stage 3 of the CTP sequence, and we're in a buy sequence that is continuing to melt up at this stage. And of course, when we start looking at it on an intraday basis on the 5-minute charts, we are getting to the stage where we're burnt through most of that high octane bullish fuel, and we're likelier to start seeing, as we move through the back end of the day, a little flattening out, if not actually the beginning of that pullback that I was just discussing. This is very similarly presented on the ES as well. We are melting up. We're continuing to grind higher. However, the higher we go, the more overcooked we are, the more stretched that elastic band is, and the higher the risk is of us flattening out and then having a pullback set in. Again, on the day today, I've been trading the PTC pattern and Triple S and Champion Trend Pack patterns. I've been able to also gross another 4-digit day today, $1,194 in my prop accounts. Past performance is not an indication of future success and future results. However, if we use high probability tools and we follow the rules, it tends to work out more often than not. I hope that the insights provided in this video were useful to you. I look very much forward to sharing more with you in the days to come, and I wish you a wonderful rest of your trading day. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.